Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. It's not something difficult or it's going to take you a long time. It's so easy, and I just took a note of all the steps that you really need in order to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. Okay, so now I'm going to my phone, and for the one way to transfer your Amazon gift card balance to another account is by utilizing Amazon's gift of Prime feature. So here is how it works. First of all, you need to log into the account with the gift card balance and then purchase a Prime membership gift subscription using the gift card balance, and then choose the recipient's email address as the gift recipient. Okay, then complete the purchase, and once the recipient receives the gift, they can redeem the Prime membership and the gift card balance associated with it. Okay, once the recipient receives the gift, they can redeem the Prime membership and the gift card balance associated with it. It will be transferred to their account. Okay, so keep in mind that this method only works if the recipient doesn't already have an active Prime membership. Okay, so these was the steps that you need to follow in order to transfer Amazon gift card balance to another account. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any video I post in future, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.